Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm jumping on a very, very old bandwagon. The Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. I have a huge bottle of this. This is just a little one that I happen to have on hand because I just went traveling. And I was taking it out and I was like, oh my god, I should talk about this stuff. Everyone knows this. I don't know why it's not talked about even more. It actually should be. This stuff is awesome. This stuff is definitely on a Holy Grail list. I mean, all my reviews lately have been Holy Grail things, which is actually kind of nice to have just a bunch of stuff that works and is great. I have some meds coming. I do. It's upsetting. Anyway, this stuff's fantastic. It's definitely something that you want to use at night. It's definitely something that you want to use I wouldn't use this during the day. It doesn't seem to work as effectively when it's piled on with a bunch of other stuff, and then you're gonna go around and get like dirt and pollen and you know, smog and whatever else on your skin. Definitely an overnight treatment, and I don't know why it works better there, because like a lot of the stuff that I see that's overnight treatment, you can absolutely use it during the day and it's totally fine. It'll still make your skin look great. This stuff definitely works better overnight. I have put this on my skin at night when I felt like poops. And I wake up the next morning and my skin is so soft, it is even toned, it has no weird bumps, it's just fantastic. It just balances everything else out, and it's super soft when I wake up. It's magic. I don't know what's in here. I don't even really fully know what it's supposed to do, except that it's supposed to fix your skin, and that is what it does. So it delivers on what it says it's going to do. I feel like there's something to be said about that, just like truth in advertising. Overnight repair. That's what it does. It repairs your skin, and I feel like that's fantastic. I don't know how it does it. It's amazing. Anyway, I definitely would recommend this. I think it's a great product. Definitely go to a department store, an Estee Lauder counter. You can get samples of this, like this size. This little size thing will last you like at least a month of treatments every 3 or 4 days. Like this lasts forever. You do not need very much of this stuff. So go get yourself a sample and definitely give this stuff a shot. It is not as expensive as you would expect it to be, because when you get a huge bottle, I think the huge bottle is like $60-ish, but it's huge and it will last you years. So it's definitely like price per ounce, not a crazy amount of money. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. And I will see you guys next time with another video. Have a great day. Bye.